Okay guys, in this video we're going to be making a contact us page. So we're going to use this page in our navigation in a further video. So to make a page, you just need to go to online store over here and then come down to pages and come up to add page up here. Okay, give your page a name. So this is going to be our contact us page. Now here is where we can create the information for our contact us page. Now you're going to at least want to write a quick paragraph about them contacting you. We're going to want to email, definitely email. We're going to mention about our live support, and ideally you want to have a phone number. If you don't have a phone number, then don't worry too much about it, but it does help build a lot of trust and stuff. So ideally you'd add your number. So let's just put something like this: contact us via one of our support channels, and our reps will help you in any way we can. Your satisfaction is our highest priority. So here I would put something like live chat, and then I'd bold that out. So you can either highlight it and press Command B or Control B on a Windows machine, or you can click this bold icon up here. So live chat. So use the live chat. Oops, still in bold there. Use the live chat found in the bottom of any of our web pages, and then we'll put email. Send us an email to your site, to support at yoursite.com. Now it doesn't matter which email you use, as long as you've got an email in there. Just bold that out, at yoursite.com, and we will reply within 24 hours, and then we'll put phone. Remember, this is optional. Call us anytime. No, call us. Hold on. Call us toll free on 123 9. Call us toll free, our number, and then we'll put 9 AM to 5 PM Monday to Friday EST. So make it clear when your lines will be open. You may have an automated response, so it might be open 24 hours a day. Just put what applies to you, and then we can put maybe by post. I definitely would put your business address in, Control B, and then we would put in your business address here. So if you want to glam this page up a little bit more, you can also use video. You can also use images as well. If you want to add any video images, it's really easy to do. For an image, you would just click insert image up here, and you can pick an image. Got a little support rep there. Let's just throw this rep in just for an example. You could create a banner. Sort of small picture of a customer rep there. Okay, you could put that in. You could put a YouTube video in here if you want to make your own YouTube video. and just, you know, glam it up as much as you want. But really importantly, you definitely need your email in there. You definitely need your business address in there, and you may as well throw in your live chat. And ideally you would have a phone number, but it's not 100% essential. You can add the phone number later. Once you've done that, just hit save, and then we can go and have a quick look at it. So you can get it up to this stage, and then if you want to, you can just you know, improve on it, or you can come back at a later date. As long as you've got that in there, that's good enough to get rolling with. Okay, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.